Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage commission structures with PayPal step by step clearly. First, log into your PayPal account using your email address and password. Once you're logged in, navigate to the settings icon located at the top right corner of the page. In the settings menu, look for the account settings section. Click on account settings to access your account preferences. Next, find the Money, Banks, and Cards tab in the sidebar. Under this tab, locate the Payment Preferences section. Here, you can customize your payment receiving preferences. If you want to set up a commission structure, go to the PayPal button section. Click on Create a button to start building a commission-based payment option. Select the button type that fits your needs, such as Buy Now or Donations. Fill out the required fields, including item name and price. In the Customize Advanced Features section, you will find options to add features like commission. Here, you can set a percentage of the transaction as a commission. Once you've configured the button, click on Create button at the bottom of the page. After creating the button, a code snippet will appear. Copy this code to implement on your website or platform where you want to manage commissions. Make sure to test the button by processing a test transaction. Monitor your transactions by going back to your PayPal dashboard. Here, you can see all transactions and track commissions effectively. If needed, adjust settings by returning to the Payment Preferences section in your account settings. By following these steps, you can effectively manage commission structures using PayPal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.